Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom alarm system in Windows 11 using Notepad and Task Scheduler. You don't have to miss this tutorial. But before we dive into the video, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to create a custom alarm system for Windows 11, you first have to download the audio file for the alarm clock. Okay, so this is what I downloaded. Okay, you can download any audio file of your choice. So when you are done with the downloading, we are going to use Notepad. So I'm going to click on the search, then I'll click on Notepad. So I'm going to right click and paste the script. Okay, so this is the basic script you are going to use for the custom alarm clock. Okay, so I'm going to change these writings, but you can leave it as the default. Okay, so I'm going to type you will be late for work, wake up. Okay, so at the part we are going to copy the part of the alarm clock we downloaded. So I'm going to delete this, then I'm going to right click on my alarm clock I downloaded, then I click on copy as path. So I'm going to paste it here. So when we are done, we are going to save it as a batch file. Okay, so I'm going to click on file and then save as. Then I'm going to name it my alarm clock.bat. Okay, so I'm going to click on save. I'm going to leave the default, which is the desktop. I'm going to click on save, then I'll close it. So I'm going to open Task Scheduler, okay, to schedule my task. So I'm going to click on search, then I'll click on Task Scheduler. When you don't see it in the recent, you can type it at the search, you will still get it. So I'm going to click on it, and then you can right click on the Task Scheduler library, and then you create a basic task. Otherwise, you can click at the right side of the Task Scheduler. So let me click on it, create basic task. So I'm going to name it my alarm clock. Okay, so let me bring some spacing. Alarm clock. So you can choose to leave a description, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to leave the default, and I'll click on next. So we are going to leave the default to daily, and I'll click on next. So here you can change the time and the date you want the alarm to start. Okay, but for demonstration purposes, I'm going to maintain the time, and then I'll change it to 9:22. Okay, so I'm going to change it to 9:22 for demonstration purposes, but you can change the time that suits you. Then I'll click on next. Then we are going to leave the default, start a program, and then I'll click on next. And then we are going to point to where we have the batch file, okay, the script we have. Okay, so I'm going to click on browse, and then I'll scroll down to where I have my batch file, so my alarm clock. So I'm going to click on it, then I'll click on open, then I'll click on next. Okay, and then this is the summary of what we just did. Okay, and I'll click on finish. So let me show you. So this is what we just created. Okay, so I'm going to right click on my alarm clock, and I'll click on properties. Then I'm going to run with higher privilege. Okay, so I'm going to take it, and then I'll click on OK. Okay, so at 9:22 the alarm will start automatically every day. Okay, daily per your schedule. Okay, so let's wait for it and see what happens. Okay, so you see the outcome of the alarm clock, the custom alarm clock. Okay, so this is the pop-up that you get during the alarm. So this is the pop-up that you get during the alarm. Time's up, you'll be late for work, wake up. Okay, so this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.